Ano bhah?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya gini di mabana ki advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang ini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinjok buat ki jingpen na. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
O President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Benson Pala aba ther tenge halor ki kam bamsap bak chingbo khrdab bi anya kisrok ba ulaong bak jingsngap jar jung giwe seng saiñ sima kadai namar kilayo bah lang nak sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA balam khmat dak National People's Party yakni uba pala ula penpau bakren bakilai pathai kebor Kongres Bawan hakabo ulaong ba sibun ba bakani sarkar ka simala bente lakam kuma khyong saiñ bakham tame wat hadin ke jingki persya ginong elam niam halor ka rajung sarkar banbu ikitem khalai.
There's a series of failure of the government. You tell us in law and order, you tell us in terms of gambling, the entire state, for the church is against the Gambling Act, but they still impose on it. And corruptions, you have seen, entire. Now, like I told you the other day, I think many of them have not got it, but you have seen that if you travel from here to Saiñ, there's a series of gates run by the state government, series of gates run by the district council. All these will be cost to the consumers, cost to the farmers, cost to the public. So this is all corruptions. But why everybody is silent except the Congress is pointing it because everybody got a share out of it. That's why all this a series of things will happen. And I can tell you that if you look in terms of the economy, it looks in terms of economy. The government is not being able to pay the teachers, not being able to pay the council staff, even their salary, they are not being able to pay the health worker staff. So many things this come why the government is not being to collect revenue because of the corruption. Instead of going to the government's exchequer, then it has gone to some personals or some to the pockets. So this will be, we have a research team on all this. We are doing deep research on all this. We'll give you in our charge sheet.
Don't you think the present government, the functioning of the present government, as a citizen of this state, as a resident of this state, do you think, just leave aside the media part of yours and think, is the government working right? There's not one, there are 10 issues one can come up with. So, don't you want a change? And if you think of change, you think of Congress party only, within your hearts, I know.